Polity and governance. Under which article did President Murmu seek the Supreme Court's opinion on Ghana's powers? A. Article 142. B. Article 200. C. Article 143. D. Article 361. And the correct answer is: what was the key issue in the Tamil Nadu bill case prompting SC's intervention? A. GST compensation. B. Ghana's delay in assent. C. President's ordinance. D. Election irregularities. And the correct answer is: what does Article 200 of the Indian Constitution deal with? A. Presidential elections. B. Supreme Court jurisdiction. C. Ghana's options on state bills. D. Emergency provisions. And the correct answer is: who recently retired as the 11th woman judge of the Supreme Court? A. Indira Banerjee. B. Bela M. Trivedi. C. Roma Pal. D. Hema Kohli. And the correct answer is: which section of the IT Act is being reconsidered to address fake news? A. Section 69A. B. Section 79. C. Section 66F. D. Section 72. And the correct answer is: finance and economy. Which Japanese bank acquired a 20% stake in Yes Bank? A. Mizuho Bank. B. Sumitomo Mitsui Banking Corporation. C. Mitsubishi UFJ Financial Group. D. Resona Holdings. And the correct answer is: what was India's headline inflation in April 2025? A. 4.2%. B. 3.16%. C. 6.5%. D. 2.9%. And the correct answer is: what is the revised repo rate by RBI in April 2025? A. 6.25%. B. 5.75%. C. 6%. D. 6.5%. And the correct answer is: which fintech company did Ant Group reduce its stake in? A. PhonePe. B. Paytm. C. BharatPe. D. Razorpay. And the correct answer is: what was the percentage drop in India's coal imports during April to February 2025? A. 3.4%. B. 9.2%. C. 5.7%. D. 12.1%. And the correct answer is: international affairs. And the correct answer is: India rolled over a $50 million treasury bill to support which country? A. Sri Lanka. B. Nepal. C. Maldives. D. Bhutan. And the correct answer is: who was appointed Canada's Minister of Foreign Affairs in May 2025? A. Harjeet Sajjan. B. Anita Anand. C. Navdeep Bains. D. Ujjal Dosanjh. And the correct answer is: which country launched a crypto tourism payment system with Binance Pay? A. Nepal. B. Thailand. C. Bhutan. D. Indonesia. And the correct answer is: how much was the US-Saudi Arabia arms deal worth? A. $52 billion. B. $98 billion. C. $142 billion. D. $200 billion. And the correct answer is: which glacier in Nepal was declared dead due to climate change? A. Khumbu. B. Yala. C. Lhotse. D. Dhaulagiri. And the correct answer is: defense. Which anti-drone system was developed by India? A. Garud. B. Bhalvastra. C. Astra. D. Drona. And the correct answer is: DRDO developed which type of membrane for desalination? A. Ceramic. B. Polymeric nanoporous. C. Carbon nanotube. D. Graphene oxide. And the correct answer is: where was the BrahMos missile production unit recently inaugurated? A. Hyderabad. B. Pune. C. Lucknow. D. Bengaluru. And the correct answer is: which army-related exercise was conducted in Assam? A. Yudh Abhyas. B. Exercise Rahat. C. Vajra Prahan. D. Surya Kiran. And the correct answer is: Neeraj Chopra was conferred which honorary military rank? A. Captain. B. Major. C. Lieutenant Colonel. D. General. And the correct answer is: books and authors. Who authored the book PMO, Prime Minister's Office Through the Years? A. Rajmohan Gandhi. B. Himanshu Roy. C. Shashi Tharoor. D. Arun Shourie. And the correct answer is: what is the title of Bandaru Dattatray's autobiography? A. My Journey. B. A Life in Service. C. Janta Ki Kahani, Meri Atmakatha. D. Politics and People. And the correct answer is: Science and Technology. Where were India's first 3 nanometers chip design centers inaugurated? A. Hyderabad and Pune. B. Noida and Bengaluru. C. Gurugram and Ahmedabad. D. Mumbai and Chennai. And the correct answer is: which company partnered with HCL to build a chip plant in Jewar? A. TSMC. B. Intel. C. Foxconn. D. Samsung. And the correct answer is: India ranks in the top how many nations for 6G patent filings? A. 3. B. 5. C. 6. D. 8. And the correct answer is: State Affairs. Which state added 12 products to its ODOP scheme? A. Gujarat. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Rajasthan. And the correct answer is: which state waived property tax for rural defense personnel homes? A. Telangana. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Haryana. D. Punjab. And the correct answer is: Maharashtra mandated the use of what in government construction? A. Fly ash. B. Bamboo. C. Artificial sand, M-sand. D. Recycled concrete. And the correct answer is: where was India's largest tree complex launched by Renew Power? A. Telangana. B. Karnataka. C. Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh. D. Madhya Pradesh. And the correct answer is Pushkar Kumbh 2025 began in which district? A. Chamoli. B. Rishikesh. C. Haridwar. D. Dehradun. And the correct answer is Reports and surveys. India's TFR as per SRS 2021 stands at A. 1.8. B. 2.0. C. 2.1. D. 2.3. And the correct answer is according to SRS, which state has the highest elderly population? A. Bihar. B. Punjab. C. Kerala. D. Himachal Pradesh. And the correct answer is appointments. Who was appointed chairman of the BRICS Chamber of Commerce and Industry? A. Harvansh Chawla. B. Sanjay Mathur. C. Suresh Prabhu. D. Rajiv Misra. And the correct answer is who was appointed executive chairman of NALSA? A. D.Y. Chandrachud. B. Surya Kant. C. Bela M. Trivedi. D. Sanjay Kishan Kaul. And the correct answer is who became the new chairman of UPSC? A. Rajiv Gauba. B. Ajay Kumar. C. Anurag Bhushan. D. Ashwini Vaishnav. And the correct answer is who is India's new ambassador to Sweden? A. Vikram Mishri. B. Harshvardhan Shringla. C. Anurag Bhushan. D. Ruchira Kamboj. And the correct answer is awards and sports. Who became India's 86th chess grandmaster? A. R. Pragnanandha. B. Nihal Sarin. C. Shrihari L.R. D. Arjun Erigaisi. And the correct answer is who won the World Food Prize 2025? A. M.S. Swaminathan. B. Ratan Lal. C. Mariangela Hungria. D. Vandana Shiva. And the correct answer is Deepika Kumari won which medal at Archery World Cup Stage 2? A. Gold. B. Silver. C. Bronze. D. None. And the correct answer is Mehdi Hassan Miraj was ICC Player of the Month for A. February 2025. B. March 2025. C. April 2025. D. May 2025. And the correct answer is what was Virat Kohli's announced retirement format? A. ODI. B. T20. C. Test. D. IPL. And the correct answer is agreements and MOUs. The Tapti Basin Mega Recharge Project is a joint initiative between which two states? A. Gujarat and Maharashtra. B. Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. C. Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. D. Chhattisgarh and Gujarat. And the correct answer is which company signed the European Commission's AI Pact to promote responsible AI? A. Infosys. B. TCS. C. HCLTech. D. Wipro. And the correct answer is Which Indian organization signed and more with Synergy Quantum India for drone-based QKD? A. DRDO. B. CDAC. C. CDOT. D. ISRO. And the correct answer is India and the EU jointly launched research calls to address marine litter and A. Solar desalination. B. Green hydrogen from waste. C. Hydrogen fuel cells. D. Ocean wind energy. And the correct answer is summits and conferences. India was recognized as a country champion at which global conference? A. World Economic Forum. B. UN COP Climate Summit. C. World Bank Land Conference. D. G20 Digital Summit. And the correct answer is the Inclusive India Summit 2025 was organized to coincide with A. International Disability Day. B. GARD, Global Accessibility Awareness Day. C. International AI Ethics Day. D. UN Human Rights Day. And the correct answer is Reports and Rankings. According to PLF's April 2025, what is India's current unemployment rate? A. 4.2%. B. 6.1%. C. 5.1%. D. 3.8%. And the correct answer is according to the IEA's Methane Tracker 2025, what is the main source of underreported methane? A. Agriculture. B. Landfills. C. Abandoned fossil fuel infrastructure. D. Forest fires. And the correct answer is recognitions. Who became the first Indian lawyer to receive the World Jurist Association's Medal of Honor? A. Indira Jaising. B. Bhuvan Ribhu. C. Fali Nariman. D. Karuna Nande. And the correct answer is